Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make matcha to anko no cupcake. I love matcha and I love anko bean jam. So this cupcake is my two favorites put together. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 6 cupcakes. 60 grams each of butter, sugar and milk, 1 egg, 100 grams of anko bean jam. In the bowl here, I have 120 grams of cake flour, 5 grams of matcha powder and 3 grams of baking powder. Let's beat the egg and the sugar in the large bowl here. Nice and foamy. Then melted butter, so let's microwave. I did half a minute at 600. It's warm, but it's not hot. Mix it again. Then milk. And let's shift all the powder ingredients. Using spatula for the intermix. And the cake dough is ready. Super easy. Place baking cups in the mold. Some cake dough at the bottom. Then bean jam. And the remaining butter on top. And drop it a few times to flatten. Okay, let's bake it in the preheated oven. 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I baked it for 27 minutes, but please adjust the baking time to your oven. Now, it's time to taste. Itadakimasu. It's so soft and fluffy and the bean jam inside is very creamy. When I bake other cakes, I normally leave it overnight to settle and make it nice and moist. But this one is best, fresh out of the oven. Delicious! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!